roundabout, we're going to go ahead, please. It's straight on, but it's the third exit. Straight on.
Okay.
Are you going to arrive there and look? No, should be looking on the approach. What do you see? Where should you look now? Just be careful of vehicles to your right now. It's lethal, this. Check to your right. Good. How'd you leave? Nice. Do you understand that danger there?
Yeah.
Because we were stopped on the roundabout because there was a queue, cars from lane 2 could have been still coming into that road because we hadn't cleared that road. So it was important to really watch that right hand mirror. That was a cracking little point there. Straight, please.